So this is the biggest product that I can recommend when it comes to maintaining copper red hair. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my hair and how to keep red copper hair looking like this. I'm actually going to be curling my hair whilst talking to you, so yeah, let's just start. So there is a few things that I do to try and keep my hair looking as vibrant as I can. At the end of the day, when you have red copper hair, because this is a copper colouring, however it's not bright, it's got a mixture of two different colours on it. I'm not actually entirely sure what they are. I go to a hairdresser to get it done. It's just so it looks a little bit more natural and less orange. But red copper hair it's going to fade. Hair that is red, that's what it does, it fades no matter what you do. So it's just a case of trying to work out how best to maintain as much colour and brightness as possible. Now I have realised that doing this whilst talking, I can't actually count in my head how long I'm keeping this curl on for. I'm trying to do more of a waved look, so I'm not actually curling the ends of my hair, just trying to do sort of like the midsection. But anyway, first of all, things you can do without buying products: wash your hair as little as possible. Basically, I wash my hair once a week. I'm fortunate in that the job that I have, I tie my hair up anyway. So as it gets dirtier, I just whack a little bit of dry shampoo in and tie it up. Or messy bun it, you know? Messy bun is always a good shout. But at the end of the day, if you wash your hair less, the colour is gonna stay more vibrant for longer. So I wash my hair once a week. I get it dyed every 8 to 10 weeks. It kind of depends what events are going on. This time around, I left it 10 weeks before getting it redone because I wanted it to be fresh for Christmas. Before, it's only been 8 weeks. But basically, you wouldn't want to go any longer than 10 weeks because at that point, your roots are really starting to come through and it is really starting to fade. Now, when it comes to washing your hair, if you have a boiling hot shower, more colour is going to leak. That's just what happens. So if you can resist having a super hot shower, at least just while you're washing your hair, then the colour will stay longer. Sometimes I have a lukewarm shower while I'm washing my hair, but other times I just can't resist and I still have a piping hot shower. But basically, if you wash it with a cooler temperature, the colour's gonna stay better. I know this is kind of ironic as I am curling my hair as I speak to you. However, I don't actually use that much heat on my hair. So obviously that keeps it looking shinier and healthier. If you're using heat on your hair regularly, it's gonna look damaged, it's gonna look dry. When I wash my hair, I put it up in a hair turban because you have to do that because the colour leaks. Oh my goodness, does it leak? So I put it up in a hair turban and then I actually don't even brush it until I have dried my hair, because when you try and brush wet hair, it just pulls and knots, and especially as I used to be blonde, my hair is quite elasticated. I've got a wet tangle teaser, which is by far the best brush for looking after your hair. It doesn't pull, and I find the amount that comes out in the brush is minimal. Big tip is to leave your hair. Do not brush it until it is dry, because honestly the brush will come through so much sooner, you'll lose less hair, and it just keeps your hair in a better condition. Now, in terms of products, when I do wash my hair, I can show you a couple of empty bottles of things that I have used in the past. First of all, I started using the Siri Expert Vitamino Colour Shampoo by L'Oreal Professional. So it comes in a little colour shampoo bottle and then the same but in conditioner. I could tell that it was good for my hair. Yeah, I must admit, I feel like it did actually fade quite a lot with that shampoo. It is paraben and sulfate free. However, the shampoo and conditioner that I use now is much better. I absolutely love it, and my hair feels so soft and silky afterwards. So now I actually use Maria Nila, I think that's how you say it, Luminous Color shampoo and conditioner. They have lots of different types of shampoo and conditioner. Obviously I have got the Color Protect ones. Again, they are paraben and sulfate free. They smell beautiful. I don't know. Pomegranate extract and Color Guard complex protects and maintains the color in color treated hair. And it definitely does. These are quite pricey. However, I have found them to be absolutely amazing, and the color definitely lasts much longer now that I use those as my shampoo and conditioner. So I would say that whilst it is on the pricier side of things, I do think that it is worth the money, because I definitely have noticed that the colour stays much more vibrant, and also the quality of my hair, I can just tell that that shampoo and conditioner is really good for it, because it's so soft and silky afterwards. And people always comment on how shiny my hair looks as well, which is lovely. Right, nearly there in terms of doing a few waves, and then I just need to keep brushing them out. The final product that I'm going to show you is another Maria Nila product, and this is the absolute game changer. Again, it's fairly pricey. So the bottle, the shampoo and the conditioner you can buy together for £35. And then Maria Nila also do a copper refresh, which is like a hair mask kind of thing. It is just amazing. I will show you in just 2 seconds. Here we go. Maria Nila Bright Copper Color Refresh. They do lots of different refresh bottles, and this is incredible. It's a non-permanent color mask. It is 100% vegan and cruelty free, Color Guard complex, sulfate and paraben free. That is the key detail here. If you have got red or copper hair, you do not want to be using any shampoo or conditioner or any kind of hair product that has parabens and sulfates in it, because that is going to strip the colour. Even if it claims to be a Color Protect shampoo, if it has parabens and sulfates in it, it is going to strip the colour. So you want to get a professional shampoo. I go to Sally's to get my shampoo and conditioner, but obviously you can get pretty much anything off Amazon or anywhere online these days. So this is the game changer. Basically, it does dye your fingers. It is very strong. You need to rinse your shower down straight away having used it. First of all, you wash your hair, and then you apply this on towel dried hair, and you can leave it for, I don't know what it actually says. Does it say 3 to 10 minutes? I think it says 3 to 10 minutes, but you can leave it as long as you like. You then rinse it out and then apply your conditioner. Now this honestly makes my hair so unbelievably soft and silky. It is incredible. I have never used anything like it, and it does refresh the copper look. So what I will find as the weeks go by and I'm washing this more and more, the kind of deeper copper side of it fades more and more, and with using this Bright Copper Refresh, my hair kind of gets lighter and a bit more gingery as time goes on. It really is lovely, and whilst the colour does change, it keeps it looking fresh and it keeps it looking bright. So the condition of your hair and the colour still, whilst it may not look twice as vibrant as this, it still looks lovely. So this is the biggest product that I can recommend when it comes to maintaining copper red hair. Obviously, if you do have a lot of red in your hair, this is just going to pull the copper through. It's not going to pull the red through, and that will fade to more of a salmony pinky colour. So this is primarily copper, but this is the biggest game changer ever, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It's absolutely amazing. So to sum up, wash your hair as little as possible. Do not use really hot water when you do wash your hair. Try and only use lukewarm water. Use professional Color Protect shampoo and conditioners. Key part being they're paraben and sulfate free, and also invest in a refresh mask to keep it looking vibrant. It is high maintenance. You do need to get your hair dyed between every 8 to 10 weeks. Some people even get it done more than that. It's up to you how you decide to do it, but it is maintainable, it is doable if you buy the right products and look after your hair. So anyway, that is all from me today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.